Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. But today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can use investing.com for your cryptocurrency. If you want to learn more about your cryptocurrencies, an investing.com app is a good one app for you because it can show you all the information and news about the coin they want to invest in. Here, if you go onto your investing.com app and go on to coins, you can see all the coins available for investing. Now you can select any kind of coins that you are interested in, and if you click on it, you can see it will take you into its different page where now you are able to see its overview, technical news, and many more. If you scroll down, you can also see a option for hourly buying, weekly selling, and monthly selling as well. Here, there is also comments of people from worldwide to see how it is going up or down on the market. If you want to see more news about the coin, just click on the news option and it will show you all the news about the coin that you have selected. Scroll down or scroll up to see the news you want, and after that you'll be able to get more information about your cryptocurrency. You can do this with all of these coins that are on your screen. And that is just an easy process on how you can use investing.com for your cryptocurrencies. You can create, sell, and buy. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.